Alright, so let's try this. So, I've had this I've had this for like a couple weeks now. I don't know if this is any good. I don't know if this expires, but I don't believe it does, but let's finally try this. So this is Aldi's brand Nature's Nectar Guava Mango juice here. So it says naturally flavored, contains 5% juice, filtered water, sugar concentrate, pure juice, citric acid, guava puree, mango puree, natural flavors, and all the other stuff. So anyway, let's try this. I don't think this expires, but I don't really know. I don't think it does, but best by September 26th. So it's not September 26th, not even September yet. So let's finally try this. Smells pretty good. It's actually pretty good. Naturally flavored juice drink blend of 2 fruit purees and 1 juice from concentrate. 110 calories, 0 grams saturated fat, 5 grams milligrams, or no, 5 milligrams sodium, 25 grams total sugars, 16 milligrams vitamin C. This kind of tastes like a mango smoothie, to be honest. Pretty good. Honestly, I'd give this a. I mean, it doesn't. It looks like alcohol, to be honest, but that's just the color of it. Kind of does look like alcohol a little bit, but honestly, this is pretty good. But I think next time I get something like this, I'm gonna get if they have smaller bottles or smaller containers, because yeah. Anyway, because I don't. It's not September yet, but honestly, sometimes I forget. So it probably would have been out of date by the time I try this if I didn't remember to try this. I'd give this a 7 out of 10.